Chapter 9. The Printing Press Changes. Everything around 1450 in Mainz, Germany, Johannes Gutenberg helped create something far more powerful than it looked. A printing press. Printing itself was not new. China and Korea had developed printing technologies centuries earlier, including movable type. Gutenberg's breakthrough was developing a practical European system combining movable metal type, specialized ink, paper, and a mechanical press. And that changed everything. Before Gutenberg, European books were generally copied by hand. Producing a single manuscript could require enormous amounts of skilled labor. Books were expensive, relatively rare, and concentrated in monasteries, universities, governments, and wealthy households. But once movable type was arranged for a page, that page could be printed again. And again. And again. Gutenberg's famous Bible demonstrated the power of the system. Instead of one painstakingly copied manuscript, his workshop could produce roughly 180 copies. Humanity had acquired a machine for mass-producing ideas. And this was a Dorothy threshold moment inside the larger Dorothy threshold of the Renaissance. Once Europe developed widespread printing, there was no ordinary road back. A king could die. A government could fall. Wars could devastate cities. But when a book existed in hundreds or thousands of copies scattered across different countries, destroying the knowledge inside it became much more difficult. Only a catastrophic collapse on something approaching the scale of the Bronze Age collapse could plausibly erase the infrastructure deeply enough to reverse the transformation. And printing created a feedback loop. More books meant cheaper access to knowledge. More knowledge encouraged literacy. More readers created demand for more books. More books allowed more people to learn, argue, experiment, and publish ideas of their own. Ancient Greek and Roman works could circulate farther. Maps could be reproduced. Engineering diagrams could travel. Scientific observations could be compared. And soon, religious and political arguments could spread faster than authorities could contain them. The printing press didn't guarantee that the ideas being printed were true. It could spread brilliant discoveries, dangerous propaganda, or complete nonsense. What it changed was scale. An idea no longer had to travel at the speed of a person copying a manuscript. The Renaissance was already transforming Europe. The printing press gave that transformation an amplifier. Humanity had learned how to mass-produce knowledge. And Dorothy wasn't going back to Kansas.